Okay, so here's a shelter 360. Obviously the shelter. And the name of the shelter. There's water right down there. Hi. Bear box right there. Privy.
Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go, I know.
I think sometimes if there were no power lines, there would be no view at all. Just do a 180 here. And the trail goes up that way back in the woods.
Wishing on a falling star, waiting for the early train.
All right, so here's a McAfee knob 360.
Where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go, I know. Cause a free wind is blowing through your hair, and the days surround your daylight there. Seasons crying, no despair. Alligator lizards.
So this is the trail between McAfee's Knob and Tinker's Cliffs. If you're coming from the south and you get to McAfee's Knob, if you look at that, I guess you would call it a mountain, hill, whatever, that spine of mountain that runs off to your right, that's pretty much where the trail seems to go. It just follows that spine of that mountain. And you can see that there's the, looking more or less west. The trail goes up that way and then drops off over that way. And it looks like all you do is you follow that little spine. I guess you're ridge running right now. You just ridge run all the way to wherever that next town is.
This town don't look good in snow. You don't care, I know. Ventura Highway.
So here's a nice view. I'll do a little 360 here. The trail actually goes up there along the rocks. You can see a white blaze right there. And trail came back up through here behind me and then over through these rocks here. So it's not rock scrambling, it's rock weaving. Okay, not quite a 360, but that's the view. probably no surprise, but this trail between McAfee's Knob and Tinker's Cliffs is full of these rocks. And for the most part, this trail's on the ridge. And there's a downslope here. And right there, the downslope starts. Like you can see it right here. But the trail itself is really nice. There's, you know, some roots here and there, but this is great footing. You know, there's not a lot of rocks. Good trail. Alright, so this is cool. I always like it when the trail goes between these cool rocks like that. It's just a little different. I think I'm just about up to Tinker's Cliffs. I don't think I have too far to go. Sorry for that fast move. I'll turn this back on when I get there. Okay, this is the beginning of Tinker's Cliffs, or Tinker's Cliff. I'm not sure if it's cliffs or cliff. And I think that's right there is McAfee's Knob. And just there, it's just hiked along that ridge, all the way along that ridge, and it came up here.
Gonna stay here, Joe. Some people say this town don't look good in snow. You don't care, I know. Ventura Highway. Early train.